Previously on the vlog.
Welcome to Boracay.
In the first part of our Boracay trip, I showed you how to get to Boracay Island to make sure you'll get there bringing the right requirements.
You will only need very simple requirements.
We checked at a very affordable hotel, very premier. Searched for Station 1.
Ang station 2 dito, yung station 3 papunta doon. 1, 2, 3.
And dined at Hen and Garden. This time, I'll share with you some fun.
You're full of fascinating underwater creatures. Wow!
Chaotic. And wasted moments while we are in the dreamy white shores of Boracay.
Nagutom yan. Kamata.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful Monday morning here in Boracay Island, and while my friends are still preparing, I'm going to drink first my morning coffee, courtesy of the hotel.
Hey guys, it's our second day in Boracay and we're going to island hopping. We're gonna do the island hopping. Yeah. So sabi kasi ng kaibigan ko, meron daw dun sa beach parang mag-o-offer lang sa inyo. So para makasave ka, dapat yung first offer daw is i-decline mo para mas babaan nila yung yung price ng island hopping.
Picture
Kasi kagabi kuya, inoferan kami ng 700 pesos. Okay na ba yun?
700 yung bawat isa?
Yung island hopping, wala pang entrance fee sa mga island.
Bawat isa po yan?
Oo, bawat isa. Okay na ba?
Parang taas pa yan.
Parang taas no, kasi sa Facebook may nahanap akong 600 lang.
Oo.
Pero dito yata mas mura.
Eh, ano nyo pa? Maraming recruiter dyan.
Sige.
Hindi pa kayo makuha.
Kahit anong oras kami, like for example 10 AM mag-start, meron pa.
Meron pa yan.
Meron
pero
pa.
siksika na yung bangka dyan.
Kasi mag-ano muna kami. Mag-picture taking muna kami sa Station 1. Tapos balik kami para mag-island hopping na. Ganun. Hi, Tin.
Hi! So, papunta na kami sa beachfront. Kamata.
Oh yes! Ang ganda! Wow!
In the first hour of our second day, we arrived to this grotto. It's also famous tourists. Although it was a little bit gloomy when we arrived, it still did not prevent us from taking wonderful photos. Boracay is indeed beautiful. After our photo shoot, we headed to the pier to register for our island hopping.
Ano yung mga siniserve?
Bawal diet daw doon.
Bawal dahil. Buffet siya kuya.
Yes.
Magkano yung sa isang boat, ilan yung tao?
Depende sa kalagyan ng bangka, sir. Meron siyang 30 packs, meron siyang 40 packs. Pero yung nasa inyo bangka, malaki, 40 packs siguro.
One thing I liked about visiting to Boracay was avoiding scammers, as the island has authorized tour guides and organizers. You can recognize them through their IDs, like the one that Kuya wears.
So maglalakad kami muna dito sa parang floating isle. Papunta sa aming
Floating island.
floating isle.
Isle ka pa dyan.
Ano dapat papunta sa aming bangka. So, yung island hopping, bumayad kami ng 600 per head. Tapos excluding yung mga entrance fee sa mga island na pupuntahan namin. So, hopefully maganda yung puntahan namin and hopefully tuloy-tuloy ang araw. Ganda oh. Wow. Ganda.
Enjoy ah.
Salamat kuya. At mamaya dito na. Yes, salamat. We're here sa aming bangka.
Sakto tayo.
Hindi
Dito kayo mga
Magsistay po tayo dito ng kalahating oras. Pakitandaan na lang po yung pangalan ng bangka natin, Shingli 5 po. Sa may gusto mag-crystal kayak, dyan po sa kanila ma'am kasi po para bilisan po tayo. Okay po? Shingli 5 po ma'am. Okay po? Yung mga hindi importanteng gamit, tuwala nyo, iwan nyo na lang po. Enjoy nyo dito. Okay po. Tatlo. Kanila ma'am.
For our first stop, we arrived at Iligan Beach. This is one of the farthest beach from the pier, so this island is most of the time overlooked by tourists. There are also locals here that provide services like hair braiding, and some sell accessories. Don't forget to buy one, it's a way to support them and the island, of course. It's a great island that boasts powdery white sand and clear crystal water. After Iligan Beach, we headed to Crocodile Island. Regarded as one of the best dive spots in Boracay, we didn't miss the chance of snorkeling here. If you don't know how to dive like us, this spot is perfect as you can see the fishes and the coral reefs in shallow water with your life jacket.
Pristine, how do you find Boracay so far?
I find Boracay very interesting and very diverse. It's full of fascinating underwater creatures. The sandy beaches are fine as fuck. I would definitely suggest going to Boracay. Yeah. Sometimes it's breathtaking. This is really like one of the most sulit travel
Actually what?
affordable.
It's not, I actually we expected Boracay to be very very expensive kasi it's heavily visited by tourists, pero di rin man ngayon.
But no, just by the hotel you can go like 5 or 2 nights.
That's already like a steal, di ba?
And also
Kasi bungawan to, normal lang maraw. Oh, plus the flight, it's very cheap.
So right now we are trying the snorkeling,
although we don't know how
to dive, pero we have life jackets. So, ano yung island? It's not island. Elephant on. Crocodile. This is Crocodile Island. Crocodile Island. ano?
Oh, this is like so fun. Mga expired na po yung mga aura namin. As you can see, lalo na po yung One Man Wonder.
expired na po. Pwede na po embalsamuhin. Pagdating time, look at the food. Naman po.
Grabe, dami.
Nagutom yan. Hindi naman po masyadong halatang gutom, no? Punong-puno po nga po ang plato ni One Man Wonder. So, ayun nga, guys.
Expired na nga yung aura, yung chan, lolobo pa.
Oo, mamaya, bloated na yan. Alam na.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So it's 4:30 PM and try na namin yung jet ski. So bumayad kami ng 2,500 good for 15 minutes para sa aming tatlo. So akala namin tag 15 minutes each kami. Yun pala divided by 3. So dapat enjoy namin yung jet ski 5 minutes each. So sana okay. Sana kahit makakuha na lang ng magandang picture.
Tingnan natin kung sulit. We will update you.
Ito naman sa inyo kung paano. So upo lang muna kayo ma'am, sign muna tayo. Sign lang kayo sa taas, content name, signature, resort room number. Then sa likod,
After the island hopping and water activities, we returned to the hotel, searched for a bar, partied, and called it a day. Some people believe that traveling is a waste of money. For us, it's the best way we could spend ours. Meeting new people and seeing new places is such a breather to temporarily get away from responsibilities and to have fun, to be inspired to work again. And we are never regretting that.
Talaga yung abi ka na yung additional rice. Ilalaban talaga niya.
Bakit social? Pero din na araw rice. Just because I'm hungry. Hindi rin kayo magpasosyalan niya pa kaya.